Hello, everybody. Elevating Northern Colorado here. And that's right, we're standing right by the Sligh grandfather clock. And it's a beautiful thing. This just got repaired. Ow. 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 About a couple of months ago, I stubbed my toe. Ow. 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 Oh, man, that hurt. Sorry, I just stubbed my toe. So we're going to be doing all 3 chimes in 3 hours like we did about 10 years ago. That's right. That's when I first filmed my clock. March 23rd, I think, of 2011. So, 4 to past for Westminster. And for those of you who are new to clocks, don't wind the hand fast. Wind it slowly. Half past. Quarter to. And on the hour. Alright, hang on 1 minute. As you can hear, it sounds really well, but hang on. There we are. Okay, so you heard Westminster. Some people call it Westminster, which I don't know how you can do that. We're going to slide the dial, the right side dial, to St. Michael's. Okay. Quarter past. Half past. Quarter to. See if I can get the covering off here. Doesn't look like I can get the covering off. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. I just need to get this right. No, 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 no. Careful. Careful. There we go. So, I got the right side panel off, so we can take a look at the chime rods and the movements therein. So, here we go. On the hour, it's going to chime 4 o'clock, because somebody wound the weights all the way to the top. It sounded exactly as it did. It sounds exactly as it did 10 years ago when I first filmed this, so it's kind of nice. Now we're switching to the bottom dial. So we're going to take this to 6 o'clock. And assuming it'll go down. Okay, so we've heard Westminster, we've heard St. Michael's, now we're going to hear Whittington. So here we go. Quarter past. Half past. 2:45. Given those weights a little exercise because somebody wound this thing all the way to the top, and that's something you don't want to do because the pendulum can stop and you have to reset the time like I do here. And another thing, don't wind the hands quickly, because that'll mess up the chimes and that'll mess up the chime rod. Something that my mom and my sister both need to understand. And on the hour. Oh, shoot. There we go. There you have it. That is the Sligh grandfather clock. Triple chimes, circa 1981, I believe, or 1980. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the registration. But anyway, take care.